Hi, I'm Daniele, this is Decode, my game dev and programming channel. If you ever wish to be a game developer, or you like the world of computers, this channel is made for you. We'll start from the basics of programming and move towards more complex concepts. Before we continue, let me introduce myself better. I'm an Italian computer student with excellent grades and different hobbies, one of which is programming. But most importantly, I like helping other people, so feel free to ask questions in the comment section. Since I want you to learn effectively, after the tutorials there will be a test made with Google Modules, so you'll be able to verify what you have learned. And please be honest with yourself. Also, we'll make different games in our journey. They will be stored in the Decode app. It's still in development and it's far from perfect, but it has a lot of features such as account creation and friend management. Thanks for sticking around, like this video and subscribe. Bye!